Area Glass Company is a full-service glass company located in Milford, Massachusetts. With over 30 years' experience serving the Metro West area, we offer quality glass products, outstanding service, and competitive pricing for all of your glass needs. We offer residential glass, Basco tub and shower enclosures, new swing or sliding shower doors, commercial glass, and auto glass. Our expert staff is available to meet all of your glass needs. Area Glass is committed to providing each customer with exceptional quality and customer service. Please feel free to contact us at 508-478-0209 to learn more about how we can offer you the best glass service for your residential, commercial, or auto glass project. We welcome the opportunity to be of service and to deliver the results you can come to expect and deserve.